Did you know Manila is more than just a busy capital? Hidden behind its skyscrapers are vibrant street markets, historic landmarks, and incredible local experiences waiting to be explored. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, a shopaholic, or just looking for the perfect sunset spot, Manila has something special for you. Stay till the end because we're revealing some hidden gems you won't want to miss. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments what's the first thing you'd love to do in Manila. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Travel Tapestry for more travel adventures. Let's step back in time and immerse ourselves in the heart of old Manila Intramuros. This historic walled city feels like a magical portal to the past, where every street and building has a story to tell. Built during the Spanish colonial era, Intramuros was once the vibrant center of power, culture, and trade. As you wander through its charming cobblestone streets, you'll encounter well-preserved churches, quaint courtyards, and grand colonial houses. Each corner whispers tales of the past, making it one of the most enchanting experiences in Manila. One of the must-visit spots here is Fort Santiago. This fortress, standing resilient for over 400 years, once served as a crucial military defense post. It even held our national hero, Jose Rizal, as a prisoner before his tragic execution. Inside, you'll find beautifully restored dungeons, fascinating old weapon displays, and breathtaking river views. It's a peaceful yet powerful place that offers a poignant glimpse into the struggles and resilience of the Filipino people. Whether you're a history lover or just seeking a tranquil escape in the city, Intramuros and Fort Santiago are truly worth the visit. Would you love to explore this historic gem? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. If you really want to experience Manila, you have to taste it. The flavors here are unforgettable. The city's street food scene is packed with bold flavors, sizzling grills, and unique local delicacies that will make your taste buds dance. Start your food adventure with sizzling sisig, a crispy, savory dish made from chopped pork, topped with an egg, and served on a hot plate. It's a true explosion of flavors. It's the perfect mix of crunchy and juicy. You'll be craving more with every bite. Then grab some kwek-kwek deep-fried quail eggs coated in a bright orange batter. They're as fun to eat as they are delicious. Dip them in vinegar or sweet sauce for the ultimate street snack. It's a flavor explosion you won't forget. And of course, if you're feeling adventurous, try balut, the famous fertilized duck egg. It's a rite of passage for any true foodie. It may seem intimidating, but locals swear by its rich, savory taste. Give it a try, you might be surprised. For a full-on food trip, visit Binondo, the world's oldest Chinatown, where you can feast on dumplings, noodles, and other Chinese-Filipino fusion dishes. It's a culinary journey you won't want to miss. If you're looking for a lively night market, Poblacion is the place to be, with food stalls serving everything from grilled meats to exotic street eats. The energy here is electric. And for seafood lovers, don't miss Dampa Seafood Markets. It's a seafood lover's paradise. Here's how it works. You pick your fresh seafood shrimp, crabs, or even a whole fish, then take it to a nearby restaurant where they cook it just the way you like it. It's a personalized dining experience. With so many flavors to try, Manila's food scene is a paradise for food lovers. Every bite tells a story. Which dish would you try first? Let us know in the comments. We can't wait to hear your favorites. Manila is a shopper's paradise, no matter your budget. Whether you love the thrill of bargain hunting or the allure of high-end shopping, the city has the perfect spot for you. If you're looking for the best deals, head to Divisoria, the ultimate shopping district for budget-friendly finds. From clothes and accessories to home essentials and souvenirs, everything here is unbelievably cheap. The key to shopping in Divisoria? Bargain hard. Prices aren't fixed, so don't be afraid to negotiate for the best deal. It's a little chaotic, but for shopaholics, it's heaven. Now, if you prefer a more luxurious shopping experience, Greenbelt in Makati is the place to go. This upscale mall is home to international designer brands, elegant restaurants, and cozy cafes where you can relax after a shopping spree. If you love open spaces, BGC's High Street offers a modern outdoor shopping experience with stylish boutiques, trendy stores, and Instagram-worthy spots at every corner. From budget buys to luxury brands, Manila has something for every kind of shopper. So, where would you shop first, Divisoria or Greenbelt? Let us know in the comments. After a full day of exploring Manila, it's time to slow down and truly savor the moment. One of the best places to unwind and feel at peace is Rizal Park, a serene green space in the heart of the city. This park is more than just a place to relax. It's a heartfelt tribute to the Philippines' national hero, Jose Rizal. Stroll around the gardens, visit the Grand Monument, and immerse yourself in the rich history that surrounds you. But the most magical way to end your day? Witnessing a stunning sunset at Manila Bay. As the sun sets, the sky transforms into a breathtaking mix of orange, pink, and purple. It's one of the most beautiful and peaceful moments you can experience in Manila, filling your heart with tranquility. Whether you're sitting by the baywalk or on a cruise, this view will leave you in awe. Manila isn't just about the hustle and bustle, it's also a place where you can pause, reflect, and embrace the beauty of the city. Wouldn't you love to watch this mesmerizing sunset in person? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Manila isn't just about history and food, it's also brimming with creativity, culture, and amazing hidden spots that will steal your heart. If you're passionate about art, a visit to the National Museum is an absolute must. Here you'll be mesmerized by stunning works by Filipino artists, from ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces. And the best part? It's free to enter. How amazing is that? For something more offbeat, head to Escolta, one of Manila's oldest streets, where history and modernity collide. Once a bustling business district, it's now a vibrant spot filled with quirky cafes, vintage shops, and creative spaces that will spark your imagination. It's the perfect place to explore if you love discovering the charm of old meets new. And to end your day on a high note, literally visit a rooftop bar like the Peak. With breathtaking city views, delicious drinks, and a relaxed vibe, it's the best way to see Manila at night. Watching the skyline light up while enjoying the evening breeze is an experience you'll cherish forever. Manila's hidden gems are just waiting to be discovered by you. Which one would you check out first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these activities excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this guide brought a smile to your face, hit that like button and subscribe to Travel Tapestry for more unforgettable travel experiences. Can't wait to see you on our next adventure.